Hi everyone, welcome to Vault's YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn about Vault's fixed deposit feature. You can start earning interest by creating a fixed deposit on Vault. Click on fixed deposit. You can check the interest rates here. Choose the crypto you want to create an FD. Enter the amount. The term is for 30 days. You can keep the auto renew toggle on or off. By clicking on advanced option, you can choose to reinvest your principal and interest or opt only for principal. Now you can check the summary and swipe right to create your fixed deposit. Wasn't that simple? To start earning interest on your crypto, check out Vault.